Hello guys, I am Devasius. Today topic is collection API. Next topic is collection API. What is a collection? Collection it is a of class which are the used of store and manage multiple element. What is a collection API framework? First, by using collection framework we can manage multiple element very easily, and we can add element any number of element, any type of element. Also there are server way to add element, server way to remove element, server way to read and update element, searching and sorting very easily. There are the four types of element, four types of collection API. First for list API, and second for quick API, quick and set and map. Four type API. List type of three types of API: array list, vector list, linked list. Array list and vector link and linked list. List type. What is a list? List is a auto index. While adding the element, automatically index is providing to that element in which every order you are adding the element into the list. In the same order we can able to read. Quick is mainly used maintaining first in first out. In case quick type collection we can able to read, remove only first element. Set type. Set the main specified to read. In maintaining uniqueness, it will not allowing duplicate element. It order to store unique element, use set collection string. Second, third, fourth time map. What is a map? In case map, every element should be stored by using unique key. We cannot store any type of element, any element with a key. Without a key element pair should be add. What is a app? In case of map, every element should be stored by using unique key. We cannot store any element without a key. Key element pair should be added in the map. First program. Note down guys. First collection array is a fixed element and takes only one type of value. Processing element of array is very difficult because it takes no method available: sorting, reversing, etc. and processing element. Index order of address their problem. Some people came up with collection API able to Java long package. Entire application API drive to four type: list, quick, set, map. List, vector, link, list. First program, array type, array list, add element, array list, add element. Array import util Java util array list. Import of Java util array list reference variable and add method. What is a add method? Array list. First law, array list. Array size cannot be modified. Array are only for one type element. We can store multiple element in same array. Messaging element of array is very difficult. Adding any type of element, add list array, list dot array, boolean type, character type, double type, and character type, string type, any type of element. ABC string type, boolean type, and character type. Any type of element, add method. SOP list array. What is an array? Listen up. First of all, note down, guys. What are the limitation of an array? Array size cannot be modified. Array size cannot be modified. Second, array are only one type element. Array are only for one type of element. We cannot store multiple elements. Array managing elements of an array is very difficult. Very difficult. For heading in array type. Listener, what is the limitation of array? Array size cannot be modified. Array are only one type of element, cannot be multiple element is array. Mapping element, managing element for array type, array very difficult. Add method. What is the add method? Add method. Add method add method an element in add. Method is adding a single element at the end. In Inserting an element in the specify of index. Here we can are using the add method, which is taking two argument, one is index and another one element. Run program. First program, add element, any type of element add. First for integer type, double type, string type, boolean type and character type. Element of add. Second program, add list dot add another element, another add element. First for 300, second SOP. First element add list first, second add element. Please search first for first SOP 22, 23, ABC and true and character type. Second for add element, any type of element add, second, third list and 300 and specify. Index of 0, index size starting for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting for index 0 in array, starting for index 0. Third program, program number third, list dot add index. What is index type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Index array list and starting for 0, starting for index number 2. Adding element number 2 index element number 2, 1, 0 index, second for 1, third for 2, starting for size, index array size, fifth 4, element of index 2, add element index list 2, list add 1, list dot add ABC index number 2, add element index number 2. First SOP is list add index array list 1 and index array list 2, and actual 400 is adding element index number 2. Fourth program, list add all. First object first array type, object first list and object second. Second index is double type. Any type of element, add element. Any type of add element. List dot add. String type. XYZ. List dot add. Boolean type. True. First list and second list. List number first, list number second, and SOP. List 1, list 1, list type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and list 1 add element. List dot add all. First list and second list. Two number of list add all object add all method. First and second list add all. First and second list add all. List 1. Add all method. First and second method add all. SOP. To index element add. To index element add. First and second. List. List 1. Add all method. What is add all method? Add all method. Add all method using for add all method using for one collection into another collection by using add all method. Add all method. Second approach. Ending element of one collection into another collection by using constructor. By using an constructor. Note down. this output. Missing your one element, list one, array list, array of reference variable, list one, and list one, and list one, and list one. Missing the element, please note down list one, and list one. Array list object type first and second, reference variable list one. So list one and list one and list one. First block array list first object. First object is a list type and list and list and list. Please guys, mistake here, and list one. First SOP, please search your package, import of Java array list, first object and say first object list, reference variable is list, any type of index array, any type of element add, adding, string type, double type, string type, to boolean type and character type. List and second array list type, second object is list one, add dot add 23 SOP, first list and list one, first list is SOP 222.3 ABC true, list all add element list one, all element list one, list one. And second time add all method, note down please guys, add all method using for one collection into the another collection by using the add method, adding element for one collection and another collection by using constructor type. First for list क्या है, लिस्ट मेरा फर्स्ट फॉर एरे लिस्ट, फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एरे लिस्ट टाइप रेफरेंस वेरिएबल reference variable is list. Add all method list1. List1 is second object list1 is second object list1. First list plus, please guys, list plus list1 बराबर list list1 and list बराबर list first add and plus 7 add बराबर list object. Note down SOP second SOP 24 line number 24. List 22.3 ABC true C and list 1 line list 1. Fifth program, please observe. Fifth program, same here. Fifth program, same here. List, add all, list 1, list 2, list 3. Same program, only for one changing index number, list number index 2. Index number 2, observe list add ABC. Index number, position number index 2, add element number index 2, position number 2, index of true ABC. Please note down 2.22 index, position number 2, index number 2, position number 2, 2.223 2.3 XYZ true. Fifth program, sixth program, for loop. Fifth program is getting for SOP get method. What is get method? List dot get method, get index number for 2 anyway number at 2, copy same index get number 3, get number 0, get method, by using the element get method we can read single element. We can read single element by using get method. To read all the elements use regular for loop. Regular for loop allowing with size method and get method. Size method and get method. Get method, we can read single element by using the get method. To read all element used to regular for loop along to size method and get method. Size method and get method. Run for program. Element 2, get number 2, get number 2, read the element ABC, read the element ABC, output for ABC. Get number 2, 0, 0 index मेरा first for 0, 0 index number 22, index number 22. Second approach, second time approach, get method. First of list, int type, only for one variable int type, I बराबर wrapper class integer type, integer list dot get method 0. Read the element, single element, integer type, get 0, 0 for index element, first for 0 index, reading for element output 22, double index output j, list get 1, index number 2, index number list 1, 2.3. फर्स्ट फॉर लिस्ट, लिस्ट मेरी क्या है, फर्स्ट फॉर 1 2 3 4 5 4 तक, लिस्ट 6, लिस्ट एड एलिमेंट ऑफ 6, रीड द एलिमेंट, वन एलिमेंट ऑफ 6, 0 0 22 डबल 23, फॉर लूप. सेकेंड फॉर अप्रोच, 7th प्रोग्राम, प्रोग्राम नंबर 7, same program, same element and same list, same array, using for for loop, using for for loop, for loop, for loop, using for for loop, list. Using for list size, size object, size object, size method, size method, size method, size method, I plus plus sop dot I. For size, first for loop, first for size 4, input of 4, list dot get method I, get method for I. using for, please note down size method. Size method. Size method, index element, size method of index element. Please note down first for add method वाला, to string method override to collection API class. Second program, add all method br can add all element describe. Third for add of any list. Second for add all list, first and sixth list. Third for while getting array we can provide another list name of argument to initialization array. First for loop. For loop is run the program. For loop one by one read the element. One by one read the element. Get method for the run 2, 3, ABC, true and C. One by one read the element. Same program second time. For each note down please guys, we can read all the element elements by using enhanced for loop. one by one reading the element for loop. Why we can read all element by using the instant for loop. Output same type of element. Output second. Program number 10. Iterator. What is iterator? Iterator array type. Iterator import Java util iterator. Import Java util iterator. Note down please guys. Iterator import Java util iterator. List type. List list first array list type array list iterator using for we can read element. We can read element by using iterator. Iterator only for while loop. For while loop, it dot has next method and as of the it next. Reading for element one by one has next and next method and has next method. Two method. While loop only for while loop. One by one reading by element. Same output, same 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element.